We are live in the e-kitchen today, y'all, and on the docket, we're gonna make some egg muffins. So we're gonna start off with some sweet peppers. We have red and orange, and then we'll cut up some onions. We'll cut up some spinach and arugula, and then we'll be back. Okay, so now you can see that we have everything chopped up over here. We have our cheese out, we have our eggs out, we have our pan out. So we are ready to start cracking these eggs and get everything mixed up to go into our muffin pan. Okay, so this is the time that you will season your eggs. We're going to keep it really simple. Pink Himalaya salt, ground pepper, that's it. And then next we're going to spray our pan. This is a very, very important step because if you do not do this, everything will stick to the pan. So it's very important that you do not skip this step. And then we're just going to begin to fill the muffin pan. So however you want it, we have peppers, we have onions, we have arugula, we have spinach, we have bacon, we have cheese, whatever your heart desires. You can just fill your pan up. Then we'll pour our eggs in, and then we will wipe the top. So you also want to wipe the top because anything that's kind of sitting on the top of your pan can and will burn, and you don't want that. So once you fill everything up, you want to wipe the top of your pan down. You want to put it in the oven at 375, maybe from 15 to 20 minutes. And then you're going to take it out of the oven. We're going to add some additional cheese. You don't have to, but we are. And then it will be a wrap. We're going to plate it up, and then we're going to show you the final product. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like it, you comment, you share, you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And we'll see you guys in the next video.